Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to reveal how you can get Tinder Gold for free in just 15 minutes without using any credit cards or trials. This is a crazy method that I discovered recently and it works every time. You don't want to miss this. Just check out my profile. I already have Tinder Gold and I've been using this method for a few months. So if you want to get Tinder Gold, keep watching this video. Firstly, we need to open our internet browser. In my case, it will be Safari, and go to this website called lucidcoupons.com. Here you can find many crazy coupons for various apps and services. I've tested some of them and they are working, but today we are interested in Tinder Gold. So just find the Tinder Gold coupon on the website and click on See More button. Once you are here, you will see the coupon with its description. Guys, I know that this is only 1 month of Tinder Gold, but keep in mind that this does not need any credit cards or trials, so I think that it is worth it. And also you can repeat this process every month, so that is pretty good. Next, press on the Show Coupon button, and here will be our coupon code, but as of now, it is locked. No worries, guys. I will show you how to unlock this code, and it is pretty easy. So go on and unlock the code, and it will redirect you to an unlocking page. Now here it says that we need to complete 2 to 3 offers, and you can also check the video tutorial on this page if you have any troubles. The whole unlocking process is really easy and takes less than 15 minutes, depending on the time and country you are doing this from, because you may see other tasks. So as you can see when I click on the app here, it redirects me directly to the App Store, so it is all safe. I don't want this video to be too long, so I will come back to you once I'm done with the unlocking process. Alright guys, I'm back. I've completed the unlocking process and it took me less than 15 minutes, so I think that is pretty quick. Once you are done with it, just go back to the Lucid Coupons website and refresh the page. Then click again on Show Coupon and it should be unlocked just like you can see on my screen. As you can see, it worked perfectly for me. Now I can use this code and get 1 month of Tinder Gold. How cool is that? So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome coupons like this one. Thanks for watching and see you next time.